guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, hi guys, welcome back to my everyday and every other day vlog. Sure, joke lang, just kidding. Sure. And so for today's video, I am going to unbox and I will try to review the product the best way I can. Sure, I will try to review it. And if you're new here to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the ring bell or the ring button, like that, or the ring icon, bell icon. And if you're new here to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts: Instagram, Darius Evardo, and Facebook, Darius Evardo. And without further ado, let's jump out to the video. So here's the product we have from Watson. This is a mini Christmas shopping haul, makeup haul, and let's unbox it. And we have a little ASMR moment. We have here a product from Maybelline. This is buy one take one. And also my favorite brand, the most affordable brand here in the Philippines, yet high quality. So but first, let's remove the plastic here. So yeah, I bought this at Watson Stars again. Yeah. And thank you so much to my tita or to my auntie for giving me this. So the first product we're going to review is this Bilena All Day Liquid Foundation in the shade Olive. So this is the darkest shade of Bilena All Day Liquid Foundation. This is intended for morena like me. Yeah, let's try. So here they are. I think this is my shade. So according to other YouTubers, I can make it. According to other YouTuber or YouTuber, this is very full coverage, and I think I need to get my brush. Wait a minute. So as you can see, I have two tools here: the flat angled kabuki brush and a beauty blender. So we will try to see which one's the best for this foundation. If it is best for using brush, or it is very highly recommended to use beauty blender for blending the foundation. Okay, let's so this, I think I get the right one shade, the right one. Yeah, finally I get my own shade. So yes, this is very pigmented. Let's try another one. So mas okay din siya if you're going to use more beauty blender, and let's try to use a brush. Oh yes, you can see this very nag-build up siya. So I got only this for 100 plus, this one. So this is my shade, I got it right. And that's it. For another product, I got a Bilena face powder in the shade tan. So I think magda-dark pa tong skin ko. I believe it will blend and I will get to achieve my skin tone. Yeah, I got my shade right. Just here. Never thought of this. So this one good. Yeah. And as you can see, konti lang yung natitira sa I don't know what kind of tools these are. It's this applicator from here. As in, kakapit na lang siya sa foundation. So this is very okay and very affordable. You need to check this out. And I got also the Bilena matte blush on. So this for only 99 pesos, and also this one 99 pesos. They have this so-called year-end sale, so you need to check the stores, Watson's, yeah, or any stores that has a may Bilena. So this, I think, a highlighter or a blush, I don't know. I think this is highlighter. Okay. Blush, yes, this is a blush. So this for only 99 pesos. Then you can have this small pat blush. So yeah, I'm trying my best to review this product, but I can't try. So that's it. And their foundation is very full coverage, and you need to check this out. They have 4 shades: the Oriental, Porcelain, Olive, and I forgot the one. Tan, like that. So yeah. And luckily I got my shade Olive. And now we will review the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation. This one. So now we're about to review this. This is the Maybelline Gift of Glam by one take one for only 349 pesos. This is not my shade, so this. We will try to swatch here. This is very liquidy compared to a Bilena that is matte, and what we call that. This is also full coverage, and you can build it black. So yeah. And you can blend it pa naman to achieve your skin tone. Blending is the key, always remember. And it's very full coverage. As you can see, konti lang yung nilagay ko. I apply a little amount of foundation, but you can see the coverage. You can see. Yeah. That's from this one. So this is the darkest shade yung meron naka-sale ngayon. Kaya ito na lang kinuha ko. So as you can see, liquid, this all the liquid foundation from Bilena, And this one is just the same. This is in the shade Warm Nude 128. Yeah. And this one is olive. And now we will try to use this Fit Me foundation. Powder. Yeah. Warm Nude. Oops, I ran out. So here. So I like this one. This one is this kind of sponge, which I like so soft. Here. Same din siya ng Bilena. Kunti lang yung natitira sa aqua paper. And smooth yung finish niya and matte, hindi dewy. So, yeah. So, and I hope this one helped you. So, this is not very informative. A little bit of informative vlog. Hope you like, and if you're new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment. And see you again in my next video. Thanks for watching.